You just found the 2018 Lincoln MKZ. With less than 35,000 miles on the this sleek MKZ is the antidote to today's hectic world. With quietly powerful performance, touchscreen infotainment, standard driver assist features, a lush interior, and impeccably tasteful styling, this four-door luxury sedan delivers the calm you crave. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: keyless entry, backup camera, satellite radio, remote engine start, power passenger seat, keyless start, active suspension, heated mirrors, heated front seat, power driver seat. Hold the key to confidence and style. Get into this extraordinary MKZ. Come in for a fun and easy test drive. Our team will make it the best part of your day.